Now I am going to explain a problem where the cross product, vector or cross product will be used, and I will explain you how to get a unit vector which is perpendicular to the two required vectors. As in the theoretical portion I told you, if there is a vector x, another is vector y, then the unit vector or the direction of the vector which is perpendicular to both of x and y is the vector x cross y. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and a minus b. We have how many vectors? Two vectors. One is the vector a, another is the vector b. We need to obtain a unit vector. This is separate issue, that how we will convert a vector into the unit vector. It's very simple. As and when we divide any of the vector with its magnitude, then what comes? A unit vector comes. We have vector a as I plus j plus k, vector b I plus 2j plus 3k. What we need to calculate? We need to estimate a unit vector which is perpendicular to both. Which both? A plus b and a minus b. So ultimately first what we need to calculate? In the solution we have to find first the sum of vector a and b, then the difference of vector a and b. So the result of a plus b, as we have a is this vector and b is this vector, a is this vector, b is this vector, that's why the a plus b and a minus b will be calculated by adding and subtracting. Now to obtain any vector which is perpendicular to both of these, what we need to do? Always remember, whenever we want to find a vector perpendicular to the two vectors, we need to calculate their cross product. So here in this problem, we are looking for a vector which is perpendicular to a plus b and a minus b. That's why we will calculate a plus b cross a minus b. A plus b cross a minus b with the help of determinant will be given by I plus j I j k. Then the coefficient of I plus j are 2, 3, 4, because if you add vector a and vector b, this is 1 plus 1, 2, this is 1 plus 2, 3, this is 1 plus 3, 4. And then a minus b, that is 1 minus 1, 0, then 1 minus 2 minus 1, then 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So we are going to calculate the vector cross product of vector a plus b and vector a minus b. First we have added, then we have subtracted, and then by the determinant I, j, k, coefficients of a plus b and coefficients of a minus b, and after calculating the matrix method, we have obtained the a cross b as minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k. This is the value of this determinant, which is equal to the cross product of vector a plus b and a minus b. As already explained you that the cross product vector of two vectors is a vector which is perpendicular to the both vectors. Hence, minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k is a vector which is perpendicular to the resulting of a plus b and a minus b. Now, how to make this vector as unit vector? Because in the problem it is required calculate a unit vector which is perpendicular to the a plus b and cross of, that is, a minus b. To give you the answer of it, we need to calculate its what? Magnitude. Because when any vector is divided by its magnitude, we get the unit vector. So this is the vector which is perpendicular to both the results a plus b and a minus b. This is the a plus b cross a minus b. So this is perpendicular vector. Its magnitude 2 square plus 4 square plus 2 square, that is 2 root 6. So we need to divide. So unit vector perpendicular to a plus b and a minus b is the vector minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k divided by the magnitude 2 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. This is gives us, after taking 2 common, we will get the unit vector perpendicular to a plus b and a minus b is 1 by root 6 minus I plus 2j minus k by taking 2 common.